Hello everyone, this is Jasper from PumpMac. In this video, I will introduce SDEC 6WTAA35-G31 pump drive engine. SDEC 6WTAA35-G31 pump drive engine is a 6-cylinder inline engine. The displacement is 35.1 liter. The overall dimensions of SDEC 6WTAA35-G31 pump drive engine is about 2,429 mm by 1,387 mm by 2,146 mm, and the net weight is about 4,000 kg. SDEC 6WTAA35-G31 pump drive engine comes with HengYang W28C electric unit pump and equipped with turbocharger and intercooler. The emission standard is China Stage 3. The rated engine prime power range of SDEC 6WTAA35-G31 pump drive engine is 882 kW. The fuel consumption is about 220.8 liters per hour. All of SDEC pump drive engine can run at any speed, between idle speed to rated speed. SDEC provides both radiator and heat exchanger cooling system for all pump drive engine to meet different customer requirements for different applications. The standard SDEC 6WTAA35-G31 pump drive engine comes with the following accessories: fuel filter, fuel water separator, flywheel housing, flywheel, turbocharger, starter motor, charging alternator, oil filter, cooling fan, ECU.
Based on standard pump drive engine, PumpMac provides abundant optional items, mainly including cooling system, engine control panel, NFPA standard engine control panel, air filter, muffler,
DPF,
output shaft, air intake shut-off valve, clutch, DC contactor, jacket water preheater, gearbox, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, PumpMac also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as flywheel and flywheel housing type and size, turbocharger direction, various speed control, etc. We also can provide explosion-proof modification for oil and gas industry customers' requirements, and we have capability to satisfy most of customers' requirements on our engine and engine power pack.
Committed to providing premium pump-driven power pack to water pump set manufacturers all around the world. PumpMac is a sub-brand of EMAC that focusing on water pump applications. PumpMac's ranges of products are water pump drive engine and accessories, PTO, advanced gearbox, pump head, water pump set, mobile pump trailer, drainage emergency vehicle,
Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact PumpMac at any time for more details about our company, products, and services. You are welcome to visit our homepage www.pumpmac.com.